Hey guys, my name's Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Hope you're having a great day today. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play a simple walk down from the chord of C major down to F major. Very simple walk down to use. So let's get started. Okay, the main chords that we're going to be using in this lesson is the key of C. So if you're playing a chord progression and you're going from C major down to F major, then you can use this simple walk down. You're just adding kind of the bass lines to it. So we're going to be using chords of C major and then A minor and then F. So you'll just be using these three chords to walk to F. C major, A minor, F, and we're going to be kind of adding a bass line to this to do the walk down, okay? Okay, the bass notes that we're going to be adding will be starting with the C note. That'll be the 5th string on the 3rd fret. You'll strum it one time. And then also on the 5th string, just walk down to the next fret, fret number 2. That is a B note, and then strum it, the 5th string open one time. That is an A, and then you strum the very top E string on the 3rd fret. That is a G note, and then if you want to hit the F note, just go down to the 1st fret of the 6th string. Or the octave note is here on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. Okay, so real slow again. Okay, here it is with the octave F. Okay, to add the chords to that bass line, again, you want to strum those bass notes that I showed you previously first, and then you can strum through the chords. So it'll be C, use your middle finger to hit the B, and lift off on that 3rd finger, then A minor, but strum the string number 5 open. Okay, and then lift your finger number 3 up and place it, stretch it up to the very top E string on the 3rd fret to hit that G note. And you're still keeping these 2 fingers planted on that partial A minor note. So this is A minor 7 over G. Okay. And then you want to use the F major chord, and I bar the first 2 strings of the 1st fret, place finger number 2 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings but these top 2, just the bottom 4 strings. That's F. So looking at that again from the C and walking down. A minor. Okay, so that's C, and this is what you call C over B. A minor. And then this is A minor 7 over G. And then you can do the bar F chord, or just do the simple F chord, whichever one's the easiest. Okay, it's a very easy walk down. Hopefully you enjoyed this. So give it a try when you're playing a song progression and going from the C major to the F major. Just try that simple little walk down. I think it'll add a whole lot. And especially if you have a bass player playing with you, the bass player can play that bass line in addition to you playing that along with your chord progression as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more lessons like this, be sure and hit the like button. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel under your subscription so I can easily be found. You'll also be notified when I upload new video lessons as well. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Thank you for your support. Hope you have a blessed day today. God bless you.